I wasn't always like this. Forgetful, sleepy, loud snorer. That was me. But like you, I just thought I'm getting old. And I ignored my symptoms. Till my wife started sleeping in a different room, thanks to my loud snoring. That was my wake-up call. The sleep specialist told me that these were in fact symptoms of sleep apnea. But with therapy, these could be easily managed. I got my wake-up call on time. This is yours.
Do not ignore symptoms of sleep apnea. Book a free tele session with a sleep educator today. Innovation and you, Philips.